What if the greatest invention in human history became humanity's greatest challenge? Right now, an invisible intelligence is learning, thinking, and quietly changing the world around us. It powers our smartphones, guides our cars, helps doctors save lives, and makes billions of decisions every single day. But as artificial intelligence grows more powerful, one question becomes impossible to ignore. Are we creating the greatest tool humanity has ever built, or something we may one day struggle to control? The future is no longer a distant dream. It's being written right now by algorithms we can no longer see. This is the dark truth about artificial intelligence. Part 1. The Rise of Artificial Intelligence. For thousands of years, intelligence belonged to only one species. Human beings built civilizations, crossed oceans, explored space, and transformed the world through the power of the human mind. But today, something remarkable has changed. For the first time in history, we have created machines capable of learning from experience. Machines that can recognize faces, understand language, generate images, write code, and even hold conversations. This technology is called artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional computer programs that simply follow fixed instructions, modern AI learns from enormous amounts of data. The more it learns, the more capable it becomes. And today, AI is no longer confined to research laboratories. It has quietly become part of our everyday lives. Chapter 2. AI is already around you. You may not realize it, but artificial intelligence is making countless decisions every day. It recommends the next video you watch, suggests the fastest route home, filters spam from your email, translates languages, detects fraud in banking systems, and helps doctors analyze medical images. From smartphones to hospitals, from online shopping to space exploration, AI has become an invisible layer beneath modern society. Most people use artificial intelligence every day without even noticing it. How does AI learn? Imagine teaching a child. You don't program every answer. Instead, you provide examples. Eventually, the child begins recognizing patterns independently. Modern AI works in a similar way. Researchers feed AI enormous data sets containing text, images, sounds, and videos. Using advanced neural networks, AI identifies patterns that humans may never notice. This process, known as machine learning, allows AI to improve over time. More advanced systems, called deep learning models, use layers of artificial neurons inspired by the human brain. Although these systems are incredibly powerful, they still do not think or understand the world the same way humans do. They recognize statistical patterns, not human meaning, and that distinction is incredibly important. Part 2. The Opportunities and Risks. Chapter 4. The Hidden Cost of Intelligence. Every major technological revolution has changed the way people work. The steam engine transformed industry. Electricity reshaped cities. The internet connected the world. AI may become the next great transformation. Unlike previous machines, AI can assist with tasks that once required human judgment. Writing, programming, design, data analysis, medical support, legal research, customer service. As AI becomes more capable, some jobs will change dramatically. New industries may emerge, others may shrink or evolve. History suggests that technological progress often creates new opportunities, but it also requires people to learn new skills. The challenge is not simply keeping up with technology, it is learning how to work alongside it. Can you trust what you see? Imagine receiving a phone call from someone you know. The voice sounds identical, the emotions feel real, but the caller isn't actually that person. Modern AI can generate highly realistic voices, images, and videos. These creations are known as deepfakes. While deepfake technology has legitimate uses in filmmaking, accessibility, and education, it can also be misused to spread misinformation, impersonate people, or support sophisticated scams. As these systems improve, verifying information becomes more important than ever. In a world where digital content can be generated instantly, critical thinking becomes one of our most valuable skills. Privacy in the AI era. Every online search, every location, every purchase creates digital information. AI helps analyze that information to improve navigation, recommendations, healthcare, and many other services. At the same time, many people have raised important questions about privacy, transparency, and data protection. Different countries continue developing laws and regulations to balance innovation with individual rights. The future of AI will depend not only on technical progress, but also on responsible governance and ethical decision-making.